If you want to resize this design, you can come to here where it says resize and select what you want to resize into, or click on custom size here. That means if you have custom width and custom height. Now the width is on 6 and the height is on 4 and it's on inches. You can change the units from here. You see, you can change to pixel, millimeter, centimeter, but let's leave it at inches. Say we want the height to be 3 and the width to be 5. You can either resize this design or you can just copy and resize. If you copy and resize it, it's going to ask you whether you want to open this design. And if you click on open, it will open it on a different page. What you should just do here is to come and adjust the elements, just to pull the edges of this element, adjust it to spread out properly. If you want to resize it to be in this page, I want to click on this page so I can have the option I'm looking for. And I will come to these 3 dots here. And I'm going to scroll down and it says resize page. If I click on resize page, the same option that I had, but now let me just go to custom size. Let's take it back to the option we had before. We had 6 here and we had 4 here. And I will say copy and resize. So you see both designs are on the same page. The size of this one is 6 inches by 4, while this one is 5 inches by 3. When you want to export them, you just click share and click download. You have the option to select which of the page you want to export instead of having them as separate documents.